Hello my people. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the bouncy twist or your kinky braid. Okay, one thing should be noted here: the way you would twist, the normal attachment Bob Marley braid is completely different from how you would twist kinky if you are going to, if you're looking forward to achieving the bouncy look. So that's what I'm going to be showing in this video. But if you'd like to see how I made like the whole wig and all of that, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section right below the video, and I'll be super happy to do so. So as we all know, the kinky attachment can be pretty rough, so it needs to be smoothed out. Smoothed or smoothened? It needs to be smoothened out when being used. So with my crochet pin, I just fix it on the wig cap, and now it's time to twist. What I like to do first is make sure both parts are leveled, like none is higher or lower than the other. Now to the twisting. Unlike how you would turn, or would I say twist both parts when you're twisting the regular synthetic attachment, you don't for kinky braid. You leave it in its natural state. Even if you find yourself unconsciously turning or twisting, unturn, untwist, as in unturn and untwist both parts, and in its natural state, just keep twisting. And as you're twisting, be making sure you are stretching both parts as you twist down. As you keep twisting down, be stretching both parts. And like I mentioned earlier, the kinky braid can be rough, so as you keep twisting, try and be using your fingers to be smoothing it out, removing whatever lump or fold is in the part, and keep twisting, which is what I'm doing here. Now, not to confuse you guys with my use of words or so, when I said do not turn the parts or twist the parts before twisting, rather twist the kinky parts in its original form. You'd agree with me that most people, when they are twisting the regular synthetic braid, twist the parts first of all before the main twist. Now if you get what I just said now, you would understand what I meant by do not turn or twist the parts before the main twist. So that's it guys. In its original state, twist, and as you're twisting, be stretching the parts. So when you're done twisting, stretch the whole piece from the top to the bottom. Just stretch it, stretch. Don't mind how I stretch like 4 or 5 times, though. It's not necessary. Like once or twice is okay. You just stretch it like once or twice, and you've gotten yourself your bouncy kinky twist. Now, just for the sake of repeating, so if you missed any part with the first strand I twisted, you could also catch up here. So here I am twisting again without turning the parts or portions, if you prefer the word portions, and also stretching down, or should I use the word dragging down, whichever word. Anyway, stretching down both parts as I twist, and smoothing out the braid as you twist down, because kinky braid can be rough, which is what I'm doing here. I'm smoothing out the parts. Yes, I forgot to mention the kinky braid I used for this tutorial. I used the Noble Kinky Bulk. It's one brand I have tried on different occasions. I mean, like the Noble brand for the kinky braid. It's one brand I have tried on different occasions, and I must tell you guys, I have been happy with the outcome. Not like I've tried other brands, though. I haven't tried other brands, so I'm not going to compare and all of that. But from how I see them in their packs, I want to believe the Noble brand has this advantage if you want to achieve the bouncy look for your twist. So that's just my opinion, though. I don't know. I can't say I'm 100% sure because I haven't tried other brand. It's just what I feel from the way I see and feel their textures. Yeah, so when you're done twisting, I forgot to mention with the other instance, finger coil the tip of the braid, so it just makes everything complete. Please guys, if you learned a thing or two or enjoyed this tutorial, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I am begging, please. My people say now where man walk in the chop, meaning it is where you walk you would eat from. So please encourage my efforts, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And one more thing, the wig isn't mine, so I didn't bleach the net. You get? So if you're doing for yourself, I would advise you bleach the net to your skin tone or use your makeup foundation, whichever one works for you, you get? So it just blends with your skin.